reliable and qualified supplier, Chao Hu Golden Vessel Electronic and Lighting Incorporated should be one of your best choices. Established in 2008, Golden Vessel is a Sino-foreign joint venture. The main products are LED decorative lighting, festival lighting, and related intelligent holiday lighting supporting products. Our products are mainly exported to North America, Europe, Japan, Korea, and other countries and regions. GV has a land of 30,000 square meters, 4 standardized factory buildings, building area of 25,000 square meters. The factory uses automatic production equipment, automation into a leading position in the industry. It is the OEM factory of Philips brand, GE brand, and other famous international brands, with annual sales of USD 24 million. And the company has 100 skilled workers. With the development these years, we have received BSCI, ISO 9001, 3A Credit Enterprise Certificate, RBA, and Qualified Decorative Lighting Supplier Certificate from Philips. As a member of BQB, we have rights to make Bluetooth-controlled app lights with Bluetooth mark on the package. Besides, most of our products are approved by CE, UL, CUL, REACH, ROS. As a member of Professional Manufacturer, we agree that no business too small, no problem too big.